girl, I am so glad that you found this guide. I'm Megan Kelly, the Realistic Holistic. I am a holistic nutritionist that works specifically with women with hypothyroidism who are looking to find fertility, have a healthy pregnancy, and a happy postpartum experience. I just want to take a minute to say there is hope. If you have hypothyroidism and you've been struggling with fertility, holla, I've been there. You can do it. And this guide is designed to give you just a bit of a kickstart, get you starting to think about some of the things that might be holding you back. I've been working in clinical practice with naturopathic doctors as a holistic nutritionist for many years now. And these 5 things are the top, most common, and most detrimental mistakes that I see my clients making every single day that are getting in their way of achieving fertility with hypothyroidism. So this guide is meant to get you thinking a little bit outside the box about some of the things that might be holding you back, but it also gives you the solutions so that you can take action now and start taking steps toward reclaiming your fertility. You can do this. It is possible. I have Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism. I have been where you are now, and I am currently pregnant. Hello. With my first beautiful baby boy. It took some time and work, but I got there and you can too. Whatever you do, don't give up, keep digging, take these action steps. I've seen incredible transformations just from taking the 5 solutions that are in this guide. So get started. And if you have any questions along the way, you can always reach out to me on my social media channels at The Realistic Holistic. Just click below to grab your guide and let's get started.